Understand you are in Insta or not. Yes, I am in Instagram. You can search Coach Ideas, but yes, I'm telling you, I'm not always in Instagram. So don't feel sad or don't get crazy. Don't judge me if I cannot reply you. I'm not always I'm not always using my Instagram. I'm giving more time here in YouTube. I'm happy here in YouTube. Yes, because especially if I'm doing live, it's like I'm talking to every one of you guys here. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty is too much. You're always happy. Yeah. I don't want to do live if I'm not happy. I mean, if I cannot smile, I cannot laugh, I don't have good vibes from me, myself, I will not do live. Balcomarai, just continue.